All right, this is a video about the Apple activation lock issue. I have a MacBook Pro here, 2020 model, purchased from Amazon. Amazon Renewed, which has a third-party vendor underneath who sells them $1,000 for this puppy. My daughter used it, set it up with her iCloud, used it through school. Then a few months ago, she goes in to get this is a 13-inch. She went in to get the 14-inch newer MacBook Pro. Took this in for some reason. I don't know what she was doing to get something transferred at the Apple store, the physical Apple store. And I think they screwed something up majorly because then after that, let me turn this on right here. You get the old activation lock. And they said, well, we can't do any more to help you. It's register another account. Okay, fine. Come back. Go into the Apple iCloud account online. You can actually select devices owned by this iCloud account, your iCloud account. You can see your iPhone, your earbuds, all that crap. This device and serial number actually appears, that's for drama, actually appears in her device list. Trying to remove it, but it says theft protection is on. So I didn't mess with that. Said, okay, what else can we do? We contacted the seller at Amazon. They said, well, it was shipped clean. You're all good to go. And we have no device in our list or anything like that. So, okay, whatever. So they did their part. They responded. They said, contact Apple support. I already started that process. Went through the Apple support page. Always fun to find where to actually send a contact in. These tech companies bury any support from YouTube, Google to Apple. They bury support. They do not want to help you. They don't care. They do not care. They just want you to buy their products over and over again. And anyway, after digging deep, I searched activation lock, kept digging, said open a ticket. All right, repair this device. Gave them all the information. Said, okay, log into the iCloud. There are no aliases other than her main iCloud account, so no possibility for using one of those me.com, mac.com, or I think there was another one that Apple had at the time. So there's nothing like that. So I don't know what this is registered to. The device appears in her devices list. Gave them all that information. Oh, I also gave them what they requested, purchase of sale, proof of sale. I went and printed out on Amazon the order details and the invoice details. Dear God, that must show I own it, right? Well, submitted the ticket, explained everything I just said in this video. What I did, the Apple went in there, went to the Apple store, and everything appears it is owned by her on her account. It is in the devices, no other aliases. Here's the receipts. 3 days later, they get back, can't help you. You have to prove you own it. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? I understand. Again, like I said, these tech companies do not want to help you. They lose money with support. They want customers to go away. They just want to sell you the item. This goes into the design obsolescence where they just hope things fall apart or break so you buy another one. And stuff like this bricks. Like I call it brick because you can't use it. It's bricked. Functionally, it probably works once they remove this stupid lock, but they won't do it because they need to prove you own it. I sent them everything. What else do you have to show them? It's so ridiculous. I get it. It's a right to repair almost where they do not want you to repair your own devices. They want you to buy another MacBook Pro. And they don't want to waste any more time because, them supporting you, they got to pay some guy in India to actually respond or AI. It's just a joke. So now I don't know what to do. So it looks cool like that, I know I have PC laptops and Linux laptops, whatever. I can put Linux on the drive, dual boot, powerful, flexible. I'll never buy an Apple product again because of this and the support. If you're buying Apple stuff, you never own it. Just know that. You're paying thousands of bucks for a stupid phone, the iWatch, all that. You don't own those things because if they lock, good luck trying to prove you own it, even though you have the receipts. They will not unlock it. I challenge Apple to prove me wrong. They will never undo an activation lock. They will never, ever do it. Giving all the information I had on the details of purchase that proved to me that right to repair, right to own your stuff is not there. It's all a lie. So anyway, my advice is can anyone prove me wrong? Can we get this activation lock off? That's what I like to know. Giving all the stuff I said. That's where I'm at. I'm just kind of like amazed, but not surprised, but more amazed that they just won't say, oh, here's the proof of purchase. Dear God, what else do you need? All right, that's all I got. If you have any tips, suggestions, I could throw it out the window and watch it shatter. That might be an interesting video. We could drop it off the roof. You want to do that? We could go up 30 feet, drop it off the roof, or run it over with the truck. Do you want to run the MacBook over with a truck and film it? That's what I think of Apple and their support. Yeah, you do not own your devices. Good luck with that. Anyway, suggestions welcome, please. All right, I am out. Hope no one else is having this problem. Again, you did not own what you paid for.